After 50, every step can feel riskier. Stiff hips, weaker knees, and that constant fear of falling quietly creep in. Many women believe strength training alone will protect them, but the truth is, strength without balance is useless. Here's the good news. 3 almost forgotten Japanese postures can help you rebuild stability, strength, and confidence. They require no gym, no equipment, and no endless workouts, just a few quiet minutes each day. These postures, Seiza, the deep squat hold, and the horse stance, have been practiced for centuries. Together, they restore flexibility, awaken stability, and bring back the independence every woman over 50 deserves. The third one might surprise you, because it's the true key to lasting balance and confidence. Seiza is more than just sitting. This traditional Japanese posture retrains patience, alignment, and stability, qualities women over 50 begin to lose without even noticing. By kneeling with the hips on the heels, Seiza gently mobilizes the knees, stretches the ankles, and boosts circulation in the lower legs. It also activates the deep stabilizers in the hips and core, which quietly protect your spine and your balance. How to do it? Kneel on a soft mat, big toes together, hips resting on the heels. Keep the spine long, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed. Slightly tuck the chin to align the neck. Breathe calmly through the nose. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat for 2 rounds. Easier. Place a cushion under the ankles or thighs. Harder. Close your eyes for the last 10 seconds, or hover your knees just above the floor. Seiza may look passive, but it restores mobility, posture, circulation, and a calm sense of balance. The deep squat is one of the most natural human positions, but many women lose it completely after 50. Years of chair sitting tighten the hips, shorten the calves, and weaken the core. By sinking into a deep squat and holding, you gently open the hips, lengthen the spine, and give the body time to adapt and release tension. Populations that practice squatting daily show better mobility, balance, and far fewer hip or knee problems, even into old age. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder width, toes slightly out. Bend your knees and lower your hips deeply, keeping heels grounded. Press your elbows gently against the inner thighs to keep the chest lifted. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds, breathing deeply into the belly. Easier, hold onto a door frame or place a block under the heels. Harder, raise your arms overhead while keeping your spine upright. Practice consistently. The deep squat restores freedom of movement you thought was lost forever. The horse stance, rooted in martial arts traditions, is a powerful tool for rebuilding strength, endurance, and confidence after 50. With feet wide and hips lowered, this posture activates the quadriceps, glutes, inner thighs, and deep core stabilizers, all at the same time. Unlike machines that isolate muscles, the horse stance teaches your legs and hips to work together, giving you functional strength for daily life. Climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or regaining balance mid-step. How to do it? Stand with feet wider than shoulder width, toes slightly outward. Bend your knees and lower your hips as if sitting on a low bench. Keep your chest lifted, spine tall, and arms extended forward or to the sides. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Easier. Keep the stance higher and narrower. Harder. Go lower, extend the arms, and increase the hold time. The horse stance not only builds muscle endurance, but also resistance against falls and injuries, giving you back the grounded strength of your youth. Now you've learned 3 powerful Japanese postures: Seiza, the deep squat, and the horse stance. Together, they restore mobility, balance, and stability, helping women over 50 avoid falls, stay independent, and feel alive again. No gym, no machines, just minutes a day, and the determination to stay strong. Which of these 3 postures do you find most useful? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new routine. Stay strong, stay balanced, and stay independent, because after 50, you deserve nothing less.